Evaluate each integral. A. The integral of 1 over x squared dx. B. The integral of 3x to the fourth minus 5x to the 2/3 power plus 1 over x cubed dx. And verifying your answer. We don't have that many shortcuts to find the antiderivative or the indefinite integral, not yet. But we do have the power rule. The power rule states that the integral of x to the n dx equals x to the n plus 1. We add 1 to the power n divided by the new power plus c. And so, in order to use these shortcuts, we would need to rewrite the integrand so that we obtain the power form. 1 over x squared is x to the negative 2. And so, using the power rule, we add 1 to the power and divided by the new power. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1, so we would need to divide it by negative 1. Don't forget a plus c. So the answer is negative x to the negative 1 plus c, or simply negative 1 over x plus c. To check the answer, we see that if we differentiate the answer negative 1 over x plus c, then we have the derivative of negative 1 over x is the same as the derivative of negative x to the negative 1. This is negative times negative 1x, and we lower the power by 1. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. The derivative of constant c is 0. So this is positive 1x to the negative 2, or simply 1 over x squared, which is the integrand in the indefinite integral. So this is the correct answer. For the second integral, first we will rewrite every single term in the power form. The first one, x to the fourth, is power. The second one, 5x to the 2/3, is also power. And the last one can be rewritten as x to the negative 3. Then we find the antiderivative for each term individually. We always keep the constant multiple, so 3 times. To find the antiderivative using the power rule, we add 1 to the power. 4 plus 1 is 5, and divided by the new power. Minus 5 times. Again, keep the constant multiple. Add 1 to the power. 2/3 plus 1 is 2/3 plus 3 over 3, which is 5 over 3, and divided by the new power, plus x to the negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, divided by the new power. Don't forget a plus c. We then simplify this. This is 3 over 5 x to the 5th minus 5x to the 5/3 times 3 over 5. Dividing by 5 over 3 is the same as multiplying the reciprocal over 5, minus 1 over 2x squared plus c. The 2 is in the denominator, and x to the negative 2 can be rewritten as 1 over x squared. And this is 3 over 5x to the 5th minus 3x to the 5/3 minus 1 over 2x squared plus c. To check that this is the correct answer, we differentiate it. The derivative of 3 over 5x to the 5th is 3 over 5 times 5x to the 4th. So this simplifies into 3x to the 4th, so the first terms works out. The derivative of negative 3x to the 5/3 is negative 3 times 5 over 3x. 5/3 minus 1 is 2/3, and so this is negative 5x to the 2/3, and so this is the second term in the integrand. And lastly, the derivative of negative 1 over 2x squared is the derivative of minus 1/2 x to the negative 2, and this is negative 1/2 times negative 2 times x to the negative 3. Simplifying this, we have x to the negative 3, or 1 over x cubed, and this checks out as well.